Yo, what's up everyone? It's DT, and AI is everywhere. Like seriously, it's not just some futuristic concept anymore, it's integrated into our daily lives, even if you don't realize it. And the craziest part? It's here to make things easier, faster, and way more efficient. We're talking next-level productivity, creativity on steroids, the whole 9 yards. So, in today's video, I'm diving deep into 5 AI tools that are absolute game changers. We're talking tools that can write your emails, generate mind-blowing art, and even edit your videos like magic. You guys know I'm all about that tech that pushes boundaries, and trust me, these tools are doing just that. Let's get right into it. AI is no longer just science fiction. It's becoming part of our daily lives. In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can boost your productivity, spark your creativity, and quite literally, change your life. First up, we've got ChatGPT. Now, if you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, where have you been? This thing is blowing up right now, and for good reason. Basically, it's this super versatile language model that you can interact with. Think of it like having a conversation with a super intelligent AI. You can ask it to do all sorts of crazy stuff, and it actually delivers. Need a blog post written? ChatGPT's got you. How about a catchy email subject line? Boom! Done! It can even generate code, translate languages, and answer your questions in a way that actually makes sense. We're not talking about those robotic, generic responses you get from some chatbots. ChatGPT feels way more human and actually understands the context of your request. And get this, guys, even this script you're watching right now, yeah, I use ChatGPT to help me brainstorm some ideas and structure the flow. It's that powerful. It's like having a writing partner, brainstorming buddy, and research assistant all rolled into one. But it's not just about getting work done faster. ChatGPT can also help you tap into your creative side. Need some inspiration for your next YouTube video? Throw some keywords at ChatGPT and watch it generate a bunch of unique ideas. Stuck on a story you're writing? ChatGPT can help you flesh out characters, develop the plot, and even write different scenes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds cool, but is it hard to use? Not a chance. The interface is super clean and intuitive. You just type in your request, hit enter, and bam, ChatGPT does its thing. And the more you use it, the more it learns your style and preferences, so it can give you even better results over time. Honestly, this tool is a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time writing, coding, or just needs a little help with their creative process. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to explore the power of AI, ChatGPT is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we've got a tool that's become essential for anyone who writes anything, ever. I'm talking about Grammarly. You've probably heard of it, maybe even seen the ads, but trust me, this is more than just a spell checker. It's like having a personal editor that lives inside your browser, constantly making sure your writing is on point. Now, I'm sure we've all been there, right? You're rushing to finish an important email, or maybe you're crafting the perfect Instagram caption, and bam, you miss a typo, or your grammar's a little off. It happens to the best of us. But with Grammarly, those little mistakes don't stand a chance. The free version is already super powerful, catching those basic grammar and spelling errors that we're all prone to making. But the real magic happens when you unlock Grammarly Premium. It's like leveling up your writing game. We're talking advanced grammar and style suggestions, tone detection to make sure you're coming across the way you intend, and even plagiarism detection. So, whether you're writing a college essay, a professional report, or just want to make sure your tweets are grammatically sound, Grammarly has got your back. It's like having a writing coach in your corner, helping you communicate more effectively and polish your writing to perfection. And the coolest part, it integrates seamlessly with everything. Your browser, your word processor, even your phone, it's always there, working its magic in the background so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Seriously, if you do any kind of writing at all, you need to have Grammarly in your life. It's a lifesaver, a time saver, and it will definitely level up your writing skills. Trust me on this one. Alright, let's talk art, specifically, creating mind-blowing art with the power of AI. And for that, we've got 2 heavy hitters, MidJourney and dall-e. These tools are absolutely revolutionizing the way we think about creativity and design. So how does it work? Basically, you feed these AI models a text description called a prompt, and they generate an image based on your words. It's like magic, but instead of a wand, you're using the power of artificial intelligence. Let's say you want an image of a futuristic cityscape bathed in neon light, with flying cars and robots walking the streets. You type that into MidJourney or dall-e, hit enter, and boom, it generates multiple variations of your vision, each one unique and incredibly detailed. And we're not just talking about basic images here. These AI models can create photorealistic scenes, abstract art, logos, character designs, and pretty much anything you can dream up. It's like having an endless supply of creative fuel at your fingertips. For designers, marketers, and content creators, this is a game changer. Need an eye-catching thumbnail for your latest YouTube video? No problem. How about a unique illustration for your blog post? Done. MidJourney and dall-e can handle it all. But it goes beyond just practicality. These tools are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with art and design. They're allowing anyone with an internet connection to tap into their creative potential and bring their wildest ideas to life. Alright, now let's get down to business, or should I say get organized for business. If you're looking for an all-in-one workspace to manage your tasks, take notes, and boost your productivity, then you need Notion AI in your life. Now Notion itself is already a productivity powerhouse. It's like this digital blank canvas where you can create notes, databases, wikis, and pretty much any kind of document you can imagine. But with the addition of Notion AI, it's like this tool just got a turbocharged upgrade. One of the coolest features is the AI writing assistant. It can help you generate ideas, write faster, and even summarize lengthy documents in seconds. Have a meeting transcript that's pages long? Notion AI can condense it into key takeaways in the blink of an eye. But it's not just about writing. Notion AI can also automate tasks like creating checklists, outlines, and even generating project plans based on your input. It's like having a virtual assistant that's always there to help you stay on top of your work. And the best part? Notion AI integrates seamlessly with all the other awesome features that Notion has to offer. So you can go from brainstorming ideas to creating a detailed project plan, complete with tasks, deadlines, and progress tracking, all within the same platform. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or part of a large team, Notion AI can help you streamline your workflow, stay organized, and get more done in less time. Last but not least, let's talk video editing. Now, for anyone who's ever tried to edit their own videos, it can be a time-consuming and sometimes frustrating process. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can make video editing as easy as editing a Word document? Well, that's where Descript comes in. Descript is basically a video editor that's powered by AI. It allows you to edit your videos by editing the text transcript, which is mind-blowing in itself. You can cut out filler words, remove awkward pauses, and even rearrange entire sentences just by deleting or moving the corresponding text. But it gets even crazier. Descript also has this feature called Studio Sound, which uses AI to remove background noise, enhance your audio quality, and even clone your voice. That's right, you can literally make yourself sound like a professional voiceover artist with just a few clicks. And if you're worried about subtitles, Descript has got you covered there too. It can automatically transcribe your videos with impressive accuracy and even translate them into different languages. No more spending hours manually creating subtitles or paying someone else to do it for you. But here's the thing that really sets Descript apart. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. Even if you've never edited a video in your life, you can jump into Descript and start creating professional-looking content right away. So whether you're a YouTuber, a podcaster, or just someone who wants to create better videos, Descript is a game changer. It takes all the hassle out of video editing and puts the power of AI at your fingertips. So there you have it, guys. 5 AI tools that are changing the game in productivity, creativity, and beyond. And the craziest part is, this is just the beginning. AI is evolving at an insane pace, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. But for now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tools impressed you the most? Have you already tried any of them? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, if you're as excited about the future of AI as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TechVerse AI for more videos like this. We're diving deep into the world of AI, exploring all the latest and greatest tools and trends, so you don't want to miss it. AI is making life easier. We just need to learn how to use it effectively. Which of these tools impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse AI.